Here's our chickens working our compost. You can see it's 2 layers of fencing. One is like this sheep fencing, and then the other one is hardware cloth. And it provides airflow, but a sturdy area. And I've designed it this way because there's a hill, and when I just throw things out here for them to compost, it rolls down the hill into a big flat line. So with this, it should keep everything together better. We have a mixture of horse manure and old hay. We've just layered it, and they're kicking it down, and then we'll pile it back up. We're gonna keep adding. This is probably, I don't know, 6 or 8 wheelbarrows full of stuff, and so we'll keep adding. And as the girls kick it down, it's gonna turn into a beautiful compost.
Our chickens like it.
Yes, they do.
They're digging up the compost. Very nice.
Yep, they'll turn it into compost for us, won't they?
And then they'll get in there, and then we'll put it on our food.
Yep, put it in the garden. We've been hauling wheelbarrow full loads to try to get this up to about 36 inches. That way it can build up enough heat to kind of help break down the hay and manure quicker, so that I'm told it could be 18 to 21 days. I'm just hoping for less than a month, so that we can get this beautiful compost on our garden this spring. It is beginning of April, and we plant mid-May, so by that time hopefully we'll have a lot of great compost.